This widget appears on the left side of your chart. It simply shows what percentage of the market is buying or selling. The first type trades with the crowd. If the crowd sentiment is to buy, these traders will enter buy positions. So if the green zone on the widget is larger and the higher percentage is higher than 50%, these traders will enter buy positions and vice versa. The second type is the conspiracy theory type. They believe that the markets are being manipulated by the broker. This group will usually trade against the crowd. Whatever group you belong to, I suggest that before you trade based on this widget, take a look at what the price charts are saying. If the widget signals buyers are dominating the market and the charts point to an uptrend, it's safe to trade with the crowds. If, however, the chart tells a different story, trade against the crowds. If you haven't already done so, for more additional information on this topic, you can visit our full article on our website using the link in the description. Also on our website, you will find more free tools and information that can help you in your trading. Note that our website supports 18 different languages. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.